Welcome aboard, where speed, style, and stories collide. Here, automotive marvels are explored to uncover their most exciting secrets. The new 2025 Fiat 500e is being revealed as a reinvention of a classic icon, created to redefine urban mobility with modern electric innovation and timeless charm. An enduring legacy has been honored by the Fiat 500e, originally introduced as an electrified evolution of the beloved 500 series. Since its first electric debut in the early 2010s, it has been refined and upgraded to embrace the future. The 2025 model has been crafted to combine nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, ensuring that it appeals to both loyal enthusiasts and a new generation of eco-conscious drivers. A compact yet captivating design has been retained, with the 500e's iconic rounded shape enhanced by sleek LED headlights, bold color options, and aerodynamic features. A glass roof and clean lines have been incorporated to add a modern touch, while its compact dimensions ensure effortless navigation through busy city streets. Inside the 500e, an elegant yet functional interior has been designed to maximize comfort and usability. Premium materials, intuitive layouts, and vibrant color schemes have been utilized to create a cozy yet contemporary environment. The latest infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, and advanced navigation tools, has been installed to offer connectivity and convenience. Powering the 500e is an advanced electric drivetrain that has been developed to deliver up to 200 miles of range on a single charge. A battery system that supports fast charging capabilities has been included, allowing the vehicle to regain 80% of its range in under 30 minutes. The combination of responsive performance and zero emissions has been engineered to make it an ideal choice for urban living. The 2025 Fiat 500e is expected to start at around $27,000, positioning it as an affordable and stylish option within the growing electric vehicle market. A variety of trims and customization options have been made available, ensuring that individual preferences can be catered to with ease. The journey of the Fiat 500e, from its historical roots to its electrified future, has been a testament to Fiat's commitment to blending tradition with progress. By embracing the challenges of modern driving while preserving the spirit of its predecessors, it has been designed to stand out as both a practical and emotional choice for drivers. Stay connected to Next Gen Garage for more discoveries about the cars that inspire and shape our world. Be sure to subscribe and never miss a story that could change the way you see the road ahead.